there's good when he does something.
And you don't believe in him.
I should let her say it.
God brings things in the light. I don't trust what I don't want.
I'm gonna embarrass the shit out of you.
Look at what.
I'm gonna tell
And
everyone.
Let me talk.
Sorry.
This is what, eventually.
Fucked up, bro.
Eventually, see, this is what the kids do not want to show me when they came back and want they're over there. But my intention was that something was not going right. And I say we go for therapy and whatever. But
You didn't want to
did,
do
you
therapy.
refused, but
That means you didn't want
tried
to
to
fix
save your
you.
marriage,
She,
and
she
you
want to
just
save
wanted
the
to throw it away.
marriage. How many
The
times
only
you gonna
reason
go
why
ahead,
and
Dad?
And they didn't
You're
want
fucking
me to see
ridiculous.
this. Now we've seen it between all of us as we are sitting down.
Everyone's gonna see it. By the way,
I should just sit down.
Sit down now.
no, I'm not sitting down.
But just don't keep going.
I'm not sitting down, Dad. You
No,
should
God.
be. You should be ashamed.
So, the question
Dad, do you?
is-
No, listen. How many fucking times are you gonna put my mom through the same fucking bullshit? Dad, you tell me about don't add no, don't tell me no, I don't care who you are. Dad, guess what? You could be my father, but you not no. You no. Listen,
You are a cheater and you gotta
listen,
listen
Dad,
to what they
Dad,
say.
listen, Dad. You have not that father figure. I don't care who you are to me. You are nothing to me.
I found out during the Boom Bay.
She
I
found
known
out.
for 4 days, but I never. Me and you don't have a good relationship, so when I saw this and I read this, it didn't hurt.
It
me
didn't hurt
because
her.
I've already decided 14
You're a
years
piece of
ago,
shit.
14 years ago, I've lost you as a dad. So 14 years ago, you were my financial bank, and that's what it was. So when I saw this, it didn't hurt me. She found out. Tyra found out the day we got back, and Tyra cried. Ashley, I didn't cry with it.
Ashley found out today.
Ashley
That's
found
why.
out.
But I want, Dad. I told people I want to kill you, Dad.
Less than 24 hours ago, and Ashley loved you.
I
Loved you, and that's why she's so mad like this, because she loved you. So when you tell her not to yell, that hurts her because you're telling her to suppress her moment. No matter that you are her father, you are her father. She loves you, and you will hurt her. So that's why she's reacting.
Dad, you have
So
nothing
you
to
decide to make a
say.
decision, so you have to take it in.